Hello everyone. The topic I'm going to discuss today is disequilibrium, and disequilibrium is caused by minimum and maximum prices set by the government. When government intervenes in the industry and sets minimum price or maximum price, that will cause disequilibrium in the market. And disequilibrium occurs when demand is not equal to supply. While equilibrium was equality of demand and supply, but in disequilibrium demand would not be equal to supply. So starting with the first question, the table shows the price of demand for and supply of X per week, and these are different prices. Price is 20, 30, hope you can see this. This is 20, then 30, then 40, and these are different demands: 16, 12 and 10. Supply is 10, 12 and 14. Okay, so what will be the effect if government imposes a minimum price $40? So minimum price is the price set above equilibrium. So first of all, we have to see where is the equilibrium taking place in this table. You can see demand is 12 and supply is 12. For equilibrium, demand and supply should be equal. So it means that equilibrium price is $30 and equilibrium quantity is $12. If government sets 40 minimum price is always above equilibrium, so 40 is above 30. So now you can see demand is 10 and supply is 14. So supply is more than demand. When supply is more than demand, we call it a surplus. So there will be a surplus of product X. Okay, so now moving to the next question, question number 2. The diagram shows the supply and demand curves for a good. The market is in equilibrium at point X, and what is the excess demand at price P? So equilibrium is at X, it means equilibrium price will be somewhere at this point. Let's say it's P1, and if government sets maximum price below equilibrium, this price is maximum price. You can see that against this price, suppliers will be willing to supply this much quantity, that is Q, and consumers will be demanding this much quantity equal to T. So the gap T and Q will be the shortage or excess demand. When demand is more than supply, we call it shortage or excess demand. So QT is the excess demand. Now coming to question number 6, the diagram shows a demand and supply schedule for tomatoes. The market is in equilibrium point at X. This is the X point where price is P. Price P is $2 and quantity is 100 units. Now what will happen if government imposes maximum price of $1 per kg? Maximum price is always set below equilibrium, and this is $1. So when maximum price is set, you can see that suppliers would be willing to supply less. So supply will be 70 units, and at the same price you can see that demand is 130. So there is gap between demand and supply. This is called shortage or excess demand. So what will be the shortage? Amount of shortage 70 to 130. So what you can do is 130 minus 70 is equal to 60. So there will be shortage or excess demand of 60 kg. So in option B, you can see that examiner says demand will exceed supply by 60 kg. So demand is greater than supply, so option B will be the correct answer. I believe now you will be in the position to solve questions relevant to minimum and maximum prices, that is called disequilibrium. So in the next video, I will be explaining price elasticity of demand and MCQs relevant to price elasticity of demand. So this is it. See you.